We're rolling.
All right.
We got Aztec. We got my friend Aztec. You're kind of a new patient, right?
Yes, I am.
All right, and your nickname Aztec is because you had some cool looking stuff on your shirt.
Oh yeah.
You're not really Aztec though, probably.
No, I got the shirt in Mexico, so it's a nice shirt.
Yeah.
I can see why you could say that.
Yeah. So you bumped your elbow a few months ago.
Sure did.
Okay, this is the right elbow. And you've been working out and everything since then.
Yes, I have.
You just don't like the way it looks, or does it hurt?
Yeah, it's more of a eyesore. It doesn't even hurt. It's just, I mean, I can't really, you know, I've been putting a brace on it, you know.
Sure.
But
so it's mostly a cosmetic deal.
yeah, I can't be going out on days like this, you know.
No, you
like,
can't.
yeah, what's going on, you know?
What's up with you?
Yeah, the girls are gonna be like, what's going on here?
That's some kind of disease or something.
Yeah, they don't want to mess with me.
So what we're gonna do, with your permission, we're gonna video your procedure, but
sure.
You said fine.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna just inject a little bit of numbing medicine. You'll feel a little bee sting. I'm gonna get the DW to spray some cold spray on that for you.
Okay.
And then you'll feel, this is the tiniest needle we have in the clinic right here.
Okay.
So you'll barely feel it.
Right.
So we'll numb up a little area, then we'll put a little bit larger needle in there and we'll aspirate the fluid out,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And if it looks unusual, we'll send it off for a culture, but I suspect this is just gonna be a serous effusion just from olecranon bursitis and effusion. And then we'll squirt a little cortisone in there and we'll wrap it for you and you should be good to go.
Sounds good.
All right,
Good.
the DW has arrived. Do you have the cold spray?
What gauge needle do you want on the
18.
on the counter?
Oh, we'll use the same 18. You got the curved hemostat for me. You did great. You are ready to go.
She's on it.
She's all over it.
Yeah,
She's super nurse.
Yeah, she's on it.
Gumby Jean, come back soon. We miss you. Oh.
So yes, please come back soon.
All right. Give me a little cold spray right there. There you go. All right. That's good. A little stick. How's it going to feel?
Stick, sting, and a bone.
Oh, yeah. She's been wanting to say that. Not really. I don't think she has. But there you go. We'll let that go in there. I'm going to hand that back off to you. There we go. Good.
You want an 18 on this?
I do. Thank you. So you were asking about my weekend last weekend. I took the darling daughter, the famous Abby, and we took the boat and we got out on the West Bay. Do you know where Bastrop Bay is?
Bastrop Bay.
Yeah. We got stuck.
Oh no.
On an oyster reef in the middle of Bastrop Bay. Can I get a 4x4, please? So we literally are sitting there with the boat just kind of rocking, and she's like, "Dad, what are we gonna do?" And I said, "Well, looks like I'm gonna have to get out of the boat."
Get out the boat.
And she's thinking, "Oh no!" You know, all she sees is the bay and the water all over, right? I stepped out of the boat, and literally the water did not go over my ankle, and I'm standing there, and she's like, "Okay, that's unusual."
Yeah. Oh my God.
So I just had to give it just a little bit of a nudge, and it came right off of there.
Oh my.
Hopefully you won't feel any pain here.
It's all right.
If you feel a little bit of pain, I'll apologize. So this is about 3 months old, and when it's older like this, sometimes the fluid's a little bit thicker. Yeah, it is a little thicker, but we'll get it. So this is serosanguinous, which means it's kind of a light pinkish bloody kind of color, but it's not wanting to come out very well. We'll keep trying though. If it hurts, you tell me, okay? You might feel a little pressure.
All right.
Okay, we're going to do a little different direction this time. Let me push back up here. We'll go back in just a little bit different direction right here. Do you feel that? There, we got it. Sometimes you just have to get in the right spot.
Sometimes.
Feeling okay? Do you want to grab onto it and twist it, or do you want to give me the... There you go. You got it? You sure? All right, good job. So we got about 5 cc's out.
Wonderful.
Hold that for me and we'll do it again. Okay, you can let go. See if we can get that same magic little spot again. Probably not. I think we drained it. I feel a little bit right in this area though. Hurt? Good. That's definitely looking more normal now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I really don't think you've got anything left in there. I thought you might have a little bit, but okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna squirt a little Kenalog in there. You got it? Okay. And
Push that up. There's air in it.
all right, but we can't put air in his elbow. Come on, yeah. Come on, DW. That's not very nice. Okay.
You're not on yet.
There we go. Now you can move out of the way, and we're just gonna squirt a little in there, just like that, and we'll pull that out. How was that? Was that particularly
not
painful?
bad. No, 1 to 10, I would say 4 or 5.
I had a 4, had a couple little painful spots, but we got quite a bit of
Oh,
that.
wow.
Huh?
Man, I was just lingering in there, huh?
Yeah, that's what you've been walking around with.
Oh, God.
Good. So now you do have a little bit of fluid. You can never get the last bit out.
Sure.
That looks a lot better.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you just put your hand and hold that right there for me for just a moment.
Okay.
And what the DW's going to do is come back and do just a little pressure dressing for me on that, please, ma'am.
I sure will.
Aztec, you're all right, bud. I hope
Thanks,
that
man.
works out well for you. Thanks for letting us video this for you.
No worries. Send a copy of that to me. That'd be awesome.
Oh,
Awesome.
it'll be right on my YouTube channel.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, and or if you've got AirDrop, I'll AirDrop to you.
Yeah, yeah.
The other thing is, I'm not going to charge you for the procedure.
What?
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate you letting us video it.
Wow. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. You're a pretty cool guy, and we enjoyed it. Thank you.
You are awesome, Mr. Gilmore. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Energy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.